Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second and final puzzle, a Sudoku Heavy, and this incredible Sudoku is a very heavy one, so let's get started. Yes, let's see. A 3 in this row, a 3 in that row. So in the middle row, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in this column, the only place for the 3 should be here. Then I see in this column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. I see here 4, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. I see there 4, so no 4 in this box. 1 box remain for this column for the number 4. Then in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1. In these 3 boxes, I see there 1, so no 1. In these 2 boxes, 1 box remain for the 1 should be here. Then the 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 in this box. I see there 1, so no 1 in this box. I see there 1, so no 1 in this box. 1 box remain for the 1 should be here. Eight. Alright. Let me see. Then 6, 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so in the middle row, the only place for the 2 should be here. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. I see here 7. No 7 in these 2 boxes. I see there 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be here. I see 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 9. I see here 9, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remain for the 9 should be here. So we have now 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. We have 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be there and the 4 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places for a 7 is here or there. I see here 7, no 7 there. I see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Then let me see. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so in the row between. The only place for the 4 should be there. Three missing numbers of this big square. One of the numbers is a 2. I see here 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remain for the 2 should be here. The other two, 5 and 6. 5 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 5 and 6. That means these two boxes, 8 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need more information. 8 and 9. These two boxes of this column for the numbers 4 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 4 and 6. These three numbers of this column for the numbers 1, 5 and 1, 5 and 2. No, 1, 5 and 2. I need to wait. 5, 6 and 4. Yes, 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only two places for the 4 is here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Then two missing numbers in this row for the numbers 6 and 5. 6 and 5, we have a 6 there, no 6 here. 6 should be here and a 5 goes there. Then yes, 3 missing numbers of this big square. The numbers are 9, 5 and 1. I see here 9, so no 9 in these two boxes. The 9 should be there. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then the 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so on the column next, the only two places for the 1 should be here and there. I see here 1, so no 1 there, 1 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 7 and 8. We have a 7 there, no 7 here, 7 should be here. The 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 9 and 6. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 9 and 6, yes. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the row above, so in this row, the only two places for the 7 is here or there, but I see here 7, no 7 here, 7 should be there. Yes, and all the 7s are used, I see. Then can I do something with the 3? No. 2 missing numbers in this column, the 3 and the 9, the 3 and the 9. 3 and a 9 in this column, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Then yes. three missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 9, 8, and 6. No, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Well. 6 and 5, 6 and 5, 8 and 9, 8 and 9, 6 and 4, 6 and 4. Yes, in this big square, in this first column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. I see here 3, no 3 there. I see here 3, no 3 there. I see here 3, no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be there. Then these 3 numbers are the numbers 8, 6, and 2. Yes, 8, 6, and 2. 8, 6, and 2. I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. 6 and 5 and 2. 5. Yes, these 3 numbers in this row for the numbers 2, 5, and 6. I see there 5, no 5 there. I see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. One missing number of this big square for the number 6. Then 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there, but I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this first column for the numbers 2 and 8. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here, 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there, but I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place for the 1 must be here. Then yes, 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 8 and 9. Now we have an 8 there, so no 8 here, 8 should be here. The 9 goes there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row, so in the second row, the only place for the 8 should be here. 2 missing numbers for 6 and 9. 6 and 9, we have a 9 there, no 9 here. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 6 and 4. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here, 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. We have a 9 there, so no 9 here, 9 should be here and the 6 goes there. One missing number in this column for the number 5. Then 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 3 and 8. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 8 goes there. One missing number in this big square for the number 8. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 here. 3 should be there and the 5 goes here. One missing number in this column for the number 8. No, 8 we have here. This should be a 6. Yes. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 4. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. Finished in 15 minutes. Alright. This Sudoku is very fast to solve. So download the PDF file if you want to make this Sudoku Heavy or solve this Sudoku Heavy. If you like it, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel if you like or if you want. Thank you again for watching, and tomorrow we have a new edition of Sudoku, so I will see you then. Thank you for now, and bye bye.